2 of the thunderstorm. Okay, let's go. So, guys, let's go to the cafeteria. Yeah, I'm actually so sleepy. Me too. Did you guys have pajama day or something? Yeah, we did. I wish we were in the same class. Yeah, literally. Well, you guys are sometimes in the same class. Yeah, but our main teacher gave it. Yeah, that's our main room teacher. Oh my god, hi students. I'm just kidding, that's not the main room teacher. Guys, let me just get some more people. Don't mind this skibbity toilet. Kalani from VVYX. Slay. Anyways, I'm gonna sit with my friends. Oh my god, Kalani, I haven't seen you in so long. I know, right? I wish we could have saw each other before. Oh, is that Kalani? Yeah, hi, Kalani. Is that okay if I sit with y'all? Oh, of course it is. Oh, I was gonna sit there beside. Oh, I could move. Oh, thank you, Kalani. You're actually the best. You're welcome. Okay. So let's leave that. Okay, anyways, guys, I need to get a plate. What do I want? I want some boba tea, and then I want not this one. I want this sandwich because I like white bread more, guys. And put that. Okay, guys, pretend they're already eating. What is it? Okay, pretend they already ate. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Pretend it's not on the floor, y'all. If you guys like play Tokaboka, you'll know what happens if I put it on the table. Struggles. Anyways. Let's put that back. Okay, guys. Ding, ding. Guys, I still can't believe OKC has free. Literally, the war is over, just like Toka Gunor said. By the way, I love you, Toka Gunor, bro. Like, literally, it's so cool. Okay, wait. What is this? A vampire? Everyone knows how to do that. Everyone, that's a Tokaboka. I did not want to put this, but let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, need my attitude. 3, 4, 3, 4, check my latitude. Top, why is the song actually kind of eating? This song is eating. Kind of. Every time I keep coming back. Ooh, I like that. Yes. Okay. Seriously? Wait, this is coming? I'm obsessed. Okay, anyways, I'm weird. But yeah. Ding. Okay, I have to go. Bye. Oh wait, Amira, we're in the same class today. Yes, finally. Guys, they have different schedules and yeah. Okay, bye guys. Take it out. Okay, they jump out of the roof. She left without me. Why did they leave? Okay, anyways, let's go. Sorry guys, I'm coughing a lot, but yeah. Whoa, wait, before your girly pops leave. Kalani, you have the same glasses as me. Oh god, now you're my favorite student. Yes. You're the best. My new favorite student. Oh, yeah. Okay. Did you just shut the elevator door on me? Okay, if my favorite student's in there, then she's fine. That's kind of rigged. Just because we and you have the same glasses? Like, girly pops. Whatever. I just love my favorite student. She has the best attitude ever. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm gonna jump over there. Wait! I totally jumped over there. I'm just gonna go back. Okay, then. Think that's weird for everyone, but let's go. Spooky, scary skeleton. The sugar is black. I have spooky night. Anyways. I hate school. Meantime, it gets cloudy. Lights go off. Why is she holding this? What is... Oh, yeah, this is for my freestyle. Oh, my God. Did the lights just go off? Guys, I know this is kind of scary, but someone's gonna die. So if you don't like seeing killing scenes, then yeah. Can I go to the washroom? Yes, Billy. Thank you. Okay, I'm actually gonna sneak outside. Lightning comes through. Oh my God. Guys, pretend he was sleeping the whole time. The lights went off. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Oh my God, teacher, you didn't even care that the lights went off? Guys, I'm just scared. Guys, I'm just scared. Teacher didn't realize the lights went off? Like, what? Okay, I'm actually really scared, so don't remind me, please. I'm sorry, I'm leaving. I'm jumping up the window. Totally. I didn't get to. Jumping above the lockers. Okay, let's suffocate myself. Oh, okay. Yay. Just kidding, guys. I'm just leaving the school. Did he actually just leave the school? I think he did. Oh my God. We have to get everyone early from school to get out today. I'm so sorry, you guys. Your teacher left the school. So, basically, you guys are gonna have to leave school early. Okay, yes. They all leave. And no one else packed stuff. Like, I need to pack yeah, that's all I need. Let's go back home. Credits to Tokate for this, guys. There's lots of roleplaying I credit for Tokate because she actually started posting out. I'm really happy, but I'm not being a hater because I know some people need to take their time and stuff. So don't be rude if someone's not posting because they're still trying their best. And if I haven't even posted for a while, well, you guys can make your own choices. But yeah, I just wanted to say there's other people that are really trying, but they have to do lots of things. So yeah. Okay, let's do the Mom. Honey, I need to tell you something really quickly. Mommy. What? Mom, why did they get picked up early from school? They've already been at school for like 1 hour. Mom, when's the thunderstorm gonna end? I hate this. Where were they? They were at a play date with their best friend. It's okay, you're fine. At least you're learning. You guys could just like take a nap. Whatever. Okay. Like you have to deal with the mirror. She's gonna make it so hard. Sorry, guys. Mom, they got to get a play date with their friends, and I don't. This is so unfair. Okay, I'm so sorry, honey. But I promise next time there's a thunderstorm, I'll let you next time go to your friend's house or something. Mom, why did you let me go before? You let the triplets come home and just go to their friend's house, and now you're not letting me. You didn't pick me up early. Okay, listen, honey, I'm sorry. It's fine, I guess. Jeez. My mom's being so annoying. Legs start flickering. Oh, the lights turned off again. Oh, I hate when the lights go out. Why do the lights even have to go out? Whatever, I'm going to bed now. Because it's been a long day. And I need to change onto this. To my pajamas. Change to that. Put that back. Cuddle with him. Cuddle with her. And then, yes. Going to bed. Typical Amira every day. Okay, guys, that's the end of today's role play. I hope you guys liked it, and it was the last part. Sorry if it was really long, but bye, y'all. Love y'all.